Hello and welcome to the Pannonic Mechanic. Today I want to show you how to replace these parts, or this part. It's the cabin filter on my 2006 Hyundai Accent. But first of all, you must find that damn thing. Is it maybe here? No, that's not the right place. Is it maybe here? Yes, that's the right place. To be more exactly, the cabin filter is here behind the glove box. So you must remove that. First you need a box to empty all the trash what is in the glove box. At this car it's easy. Here on the side, on both sides, two clips. When you remove that, you can empty the glove box. So now remove the glove box with these two screws. Take it out and lay it to the side. So next step, 4 screws here on the left side and on the right side. So this is a cable for fresh air. We must remove that. You must take care. Here you can adjust it. We can put a mark there. I use a white pen. So here and here. Put it away. Here after, behind that cover, is the cabin filter. So okay, this is dirty. And the other one too. Yes, there's also dirt in there, but I don't know how to get it out. So let's see if that works as a small tube on the vacuum cleaner. A more smaller tube on the vacuum cleaner. Okay, that's enough. Now I will assemble the new filters. What's the difference between the new and the older ones? New, old. This one on the top. It's done. Now put that back. The Bowden cable again. Marks are good. Assemble that part again. Reassemble the glove box. Now it's time to put back those clips. First one. Second one. Ready. And now put back all your trash in the glove box. I hope you like this video, maybe it helps you. Please subscribe and give me a thumb up. Thanks for watching. Bye.